this video po, isi-share ko sa inyo yung experience ko dito sa American Lounge ng Suvarnabhumi International Airport dito po sa Bangkok, Thailand. Libre kasi ito ng trip.com. So, trip.com, thank you very much. Okay, so, kung gusto niyo pong magkakaroon din ng points from trip.com, then ay bibigay ko sa inyo ang link below, okay? So, ang trip ko is from Bangkok, Suvarnabhumi International Airport to Hat Yai. So, uwi ako ng Hat Yai ngayon. So, meron akong libre ng American Lounge kasi meron akong points earned sa trip.com. So, I'm going to enjoy dito po sa American Lounge ng Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Okay? Mag-i-enjoy muna ako. Buhay mayaman muna ako ngayon. Alright. So, we are going to start with, of course, ito. Super dry daw ito naman. Magbuhay muna ako ngayon. Tapos, mamaya is mag-salad ako. Then, yung main course. Oh, please enjoy watching. Okay, so, dadaan muna ako dito sa Miracle Lounge. Trip.com, thank you very much. So, may experience ko na ngayon ang VIP Lounge dito po sa Suvarnabhumi International Airport in Bangkok, Thailand. Pasok tayo. Okay, check-in muna ako dito. Tine-check pa yung ating QR code. Hanap tayo ng upuan. Daming pagkain. Okay. Hanap ko na ako ng upuan dito. Okay, may ice cream sila. Tapos meron silang guava juice at saka orange juice. Yung mga ice cubes. Libre lahat yan. Kung gusto mong uminom ka. Okay. Tapos may kape, may tea. Yan, may bread. Nagdagan-dagan ng bread. Char. May peanut. May biscuit. May cereal. May kape din yung lapita. May kape din dito. Rest mo lang yan. Ang kanilang beverage. Okay. Meron silang beer. Tapos meron silang Coke. Meron silang Sprite. Saka tubig. Dito rin. Yan. Kasi klase yan siya. Meron silang fish milk. Meron tomato juice. But food, alcohol, and beverages are not allowed to take out. Hindi siya pwedeng dalhin sa labas. Dito tayo sa loob. Meron silang fruits in season. Meron din cake. And alright. Meron din silang steam bun. Sipaw. Okay. Ito. Then, meron silang pork stew. So, masarap. Tender masyado yung meat. Meron silang stir-fried pork with teriyaki sauce. Yan. Alright. Tapos, meron silang red curry chicken with paste. Ito, yan. Okay. They have this spicy chicken and coconut sauce. Yan. Mga sauce nila. Meron silang mga bread here. Sandwiches. Yan. Then, yan. Okay. They have also the bread soft rolls here. Pwede mo siyang i-toast doon. And then, we have also this miang kam. Masarap ito. Tapos ihalo mo yan lahat. Tapos ibalot mo sa dito. Okay. Then they have the salad. If you want salad. Vegetable salad is over here. Ang kanilang sauce is sesame dressing and French dressing. Okay. Of course, they also have the rice over here. Right? And they have the stir-fried mixed vegetables and stir-fried tofu. Okay. This is my first meal. They have the steer pork and kumuha ko ng Diet Coke or Coke Zero, rice and vegetables. Okay? Pasiuna po ito, pasiuna. This is my second meal. Salad. Okay? Coke Zero pa rin. Yan. I-try natin yung kanilang champagne. Yan. Okay. Mga ano ito, tawag natin aspo.